Oh my
What time is it?
Ew, it's Christmas Day.
Wait, what? Santa's come! Presents! 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 We have no presents. Look,
Why?
look. No presents. Mum and Dad must have forgot. Wait, what's that noise? Can you hear that?
No.
It sounds like it's coming from the upside down. Hell, we need to gear up.
Gear up. Hang on, I'm gonna real quick go somewhere and upgrade my brown bag.
Alright.
Oh, look, I upgraded my brown bag.
Damn!
I'm gonna paint it now.
I think we might need a light.
I'm gonna paint my upgraded bag.
Alright. So I'm gonna bring a hatchet.
Alright, I painted it. Does it look cool now?
That's actually cool. Hang on. I'm gonna get a light just in case.
Would we even need backpacks?
No, probably. But I'm going to the upside down. Seek.
Alright, I'm coming with you.
Seek. You stay here. You stay first at the portal until I go in.
Okay.
Don't forget to wrap your bandana around your mouth and nose. Right. Bandana is on! Shoot. I'm in.
Okay, I'm just looking for a weapon. I'm looking in the kitchen. Oh, I found the frying pan.
I've got Dad's hatchet. Well, actually, Dad's axe.
I got a frying pan. from...
Alright, there's no demogorgons, you can come. Wait, have you got your stuff around, have you got the stuff around your mouth and nose? Have you got the... Did you put it on?
I put it around my mouth.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go left. Left.
Yeah. Which way did you go?
Left.
Left.
The cabin way. Oh, I see him. Hey, Bozo! Hey, yeah, you! Come here!
Are you down at the cabin?
I'm there right now. And the guy's here. Hey, you! Come here! I'm just gonna smoke you!
Coming down.
Hey, no, don't you leave! Oh, wait, that's a demogorgon. I found a demogorgon. I found a demogorgon.
Feel like sun on my skin. So this is love. I know it is. Okay, enough singing.
Hey, yo, demogorgon!
Demogorgon. Whatever it's called.
It's called a demogorgon.
Gorgon. Oh.
It's a gorgon. Demogorgon. See? What did you just do?
Doc told me about this one. Doc told me about this one. They're scale flashlights.
Nope. I ain't going in there.
Doc told me this one. They die to flashlights. He's been here like 20 years ago.
We need to get the key. Anything?
Doesn't look like there's a key in here.
I don't want to go deeper. But we might have to.
Go!
Whoa, stop hitting me.
We're fine.
Oh my god, no. No. No, thank you. Can you stop hitting me?
Fine. It's fine. Stop. Don't
Oh my god! What do you mean it's fine? That's for you hitting me. Bro,
Let's go in.
I'm coming!
If you're scared, you won't go in.
Okay, maybe I
If
won't.
you're
go.
a 5-year-old, you won't go in.
Whoa, I'm older than you.
Stop being scared. See, I'm
Whoa,
going in.
you get scared.
See, I'm younger than you. Look, I'm confident. See?
See, you're running out as well.
See? Oh my god, just go back.
You're
Let's
running
go
out as
back
well.
home. Let's go back home.
I'm going back. I'm back home.
My radio connection disconnected there, it was glitching. That's why you saw me go like help me out. That place is scary, man. Wait, did we stay up most of the night? Did we stay up most of the night?
Probably because I was staying up eating pizza.
Maybe that's why. Maybe
I was
that's
up
why
eating
Santa
pizza.
didn't come, because we were awake. For a long
I was up
time.
eating pizza.
Maybe that's why Santa didn't come. Maybe that's why Santa didn't come because we weren't gone to sleep for a very long time. What are you making?
Hang on, wait.
Yeah, right, hang on. I'm gonna get my phone out real quick. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Okay.
I'm going for a massive poop.
Oh my god, my phone!
I'm going for a
Where's
massive poop,
my
not disturb.
phone? Ah,
Do not
here's my
disturb.
phone.
I'm going for a massive poop.
Bye.
We need. Wait, we just got
here's
kicked
my
out of our
phone.
house, man. We need to find someone to stay.
Hello?
Over here. Seek, over here.
Hang on. Oh.
Over here. I think we should come over here. Because we just got kicked out of our house.
Hang on, I'm doing something. I'm a fireman.
I'm gonna go to sleep.